Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video we are going to see how to fix the issue of can't access shared folder in Windows 11 error. So to solve that you have to go to the search option. You have to search manage advanced sharing setting. Click on that. It will take you to the settings where you have to go to the public network where you have to do this network discovery on. Then you have to also do the file and printer sharing on. Then you have to restart the PC, so that will solve your issue. But if it doesn't solve yet, then you have to go to search bar. You have to search services, click on services, and then click on any of the option and type F, where you have to go to functional discovery resources publication. Left click on it, go to its properties, select the type automatic from here, click on start and press OK. After that you have to type S and search SSTP. After 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 that, right click on it, also go to its properties, also do the same with it, from manual to automatic, and click on OK. And after that you have to go to UN UPnP device host. Left click on it, right click on it, and then go to its properties, also do the same with it also by clicking on automatic, and then click on start, click on OK, and then cross it. After crossing it, restart the PC and it should solve the issue. So I hope this video was useful for you, and if it was, then make sure to like and share this video, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.